कि आई एम नॉट रिप्लेसिंग सौम्या टंडन, आई एम प्रेग्नेंट, कंफर्ट लेवल है मतलब, एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी मैच्योर एज अ कपल। तरह की इंसान नहीं है जो जबरदस्ती के किसिंग सीन्स करेंगे जस्ट टू हैव फन। जान रियली सरप्राइज्ड मी।
Okay.
मुझे लगा था कि वो कॉय से लड़के हैं इनिशियली, यू नो, बट ही सरप्राइज मी जब पहले ही दिन उन्होंने अपना सिर मुंडवा दिया। बिलीव मी, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज।
Today on Spotboy, we have the gorgeous Shefali Zariwala. Shefali, welcome to spotboy.com.
Thank you.
Shefali, it's been long. I was chasing you for an interview and finally you are here. So firstly, tell me...
You cancelled the interview last time.
I'm extremely sorry, but before that also I was chasing you, but I'm happy that finally this interview is happening and we are talking to each other. So Shefali, firstly tell me, how was your holiday? I saw you holidaying in Dubai recently and the pictures were quite cool, yeah?
It was very refreshing. मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा refreshing था. For obvious reasons कि एक तो change of माहौल मिला. मेरा lockdown बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा रहा है. मतलब 3.5 महीना Big Boss और फिर ये 8-9 महीने. So I had to get out because I travel a lot. मुझे traveling बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो जैसे ही फ्लाइट शुरू हुई, मैंने पहली फ्लाइट पकड़ के मैं दुबई चली गई थी. Other reason was my family is in Dubai.
Okay.
और बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर जाने के पहले ही मेरे जो नेफ्यू है उनका जन्म हुआ था.
Right.
मैंने उनको पर्सनली देखा ही नहीं था बिल्कुल भी. सो उसके वजह से यू नो आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग कि कब फ्लाइट शुरू हो और कब मैं सबसे पहले जाऊं और उसे मिलूं. मतलब मासी मिली ही नहीं थी, उसने मासी को देखा ही नहीं था. सो एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय मदर, आई नॉट सीन हर इन ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर.
Okay.
इट वाज वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. इट वाज गुड टू मीट फैमिली. तो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा, यू नो, टू गो टू दुबई एंड बी विद फैमिली. माहौल थोड़ा चेंज हुआ यहाँ पे. घर पे अकेले यू नो लॉकडाउन में मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा लो हो चुकी थी. सो आई नीड टू सी माय मदर, फादर, माय सिस्टर. और दुबई में कोरोना सिचुएशन बहुत ही ज्यादा अंडर कंट्रोल है. तो एक सेंस ऑफ फ्रीडम भी वहाँ फील हुई क्योंकि वहाँ लॉकडाउन जैसा कुछ था नहीं. तो मैं मॉल गई, मैंने खूब सारी शॉपिंग की. I love to swim, so मैं बीच गई. मैंने बहुत स्विमिंग की. मेरे दोस्तों को मिली और it was a very good change for me. So it was a wonderful holiday.
You rightly said कि लॉकडाउन में हम सब ही एक्चुअली लो हो गए थे काफी. लाइफ एक तरीके से पॉज बटन पे चल रही थी. Shefali, if you can tell me, you know, what kind of lockdown you had, because you know, though Parag was with you, but still that whole phase was not easy because that is something we all have never ever experienced.
So initially it was great because in so many years we were both at home. I was at home so much.
Okay.
और कोई काम का प्रेशर नहीं था. कुछ सुबह जल्दी उठ के शूट पे भागना नहीं था. There was no flight to catch.
Right.
तो initially तो हमने बहुत enjoy किया. पहले तो बहुत खूब सारी नींद पूरी की हमने. And we were watching a lot of TV and a lot of films and spending time together. But फिर क्या होने लगा कि sense of routine नहीं रहा. जिसकी वजह से एक ओवरऑल सेंस ऑफ वेलबींग जो होती है वो डिस्टर्ब हो गई.
राइट.
तो आई वाज लाइक, मैं चिड़चिड़ी हो गई थी बहुत ज्यादा. एंड यू नो समथिंग, आई मीन टू मच रेस्ट आल्सो, नो, इट कैन गेट टू यू. सो देन वी डिसाइडेड दैट एक सेंस ऑफ रूटीन बने रहना बहुत जरूरी है फॉर मेंटल हेल्थ आल्सो. So हमने फिर डिसाइड किया कि we sleep at a particular time, wake up at a particular time. हमने एक्सरसाइज शुरू की, हमने हेल्दी ईटिंग शुरू की. पहले तो हम सिर्फ जंक खा रहे थे, तो हेल्दी ईटिंग शुरू की हमने. और फिर we decided to pursue our hobbies. वो भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, you know, to keep yourself creatively occupied.
Yeah.
तो yeah, so एक दिन मैं घर में सफाई कर रही थी. Or I found my books and my pens and sketches, and you know I used to do a lot of sketching many years ago. जो I think छूट चुका था. वो क्या हो जाता है, हम भूल जाते हैं, हमारे जीवन में बिजी हो जाते हैं. So yeah, you forget about it कि मुझे ये सब करने का शौक होता था. So then I said, wow, I'm very excited to find all of that. So then I started sketching again. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगना लगा, अंदर से, my creative juices were flowing. And वो जो information overload हो रहा था ना, कोरोना, बीमारी,
ये वो, हाँ.
So through social media and television and everything, तो वो limit हो गया.
Right.
So, it kind of helped me with my overall sense of well-being, एक mindfulness रहा, because जब मैं sketching करने लगी तो it was like meditation, for hours together I'm on the paper. So मेरा constructively दिन का 3-4 घंटा गुजर जाता था. फिर we were not allowed to get out of the house only. तो अपने घर में ही छोटा था, हमारे घर में छोटा सा एक gym setup है, तो मैं पराग साथ में workout करते थे. I do a lot of yoga, so I said, okay, enough of laziness. Let's get back to our routine as much as possible. हमने टीवी टाइम भी लिमिट कर दिया. हमने कहा देखो डिनर के बाद रात को 2 या 3 घंटा टीवी देखेंगे, उससे ज्यादा टीवी नहीं देखेंगे, because you were feeling very lazy and grumpy.
Yeah.
You're not liking it because you're very active otherwise. So I think ये थोड़े बहुत changes जो हमने रूटीन में किए. फिर उसके बाद लॉकडाउन एक्चुअली स्मूथ गुजरने लगा. एक रूटीन था, सुबह उठ के एक रूटीन था हमारा, ये करना है, फिर दोपहर में ये करना है, शाम को ये करना है, फिर रात को रिलैक्स करना है, टाइम पे सोना है, टाइम पे उठना है. सो वो रूटीन रखा. दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक वी वर सेम. बट ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज ग्रेट टू स्पेंड सो मच टाइम विद पराग, बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट हमारे लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट था कि वो वी गेट आवर ओन मी टाइम्स.
Exactly.
So we have the luxury of having a little bigger house. So वो एक रूम में रहते थे, मैं दूसरे रूम में रहती थी, catching up with friends or maybe reading or just listening to music. So I think काफी करीबी रहती थी हम दोनों के बीच में, मगर दिन में हम थोड़ी बहुत दूरी भी रखते थे. So I think हमारे झगड़े कम होते थे, and it's very important to have your own time. So I think these things kind of helped us. और फिर लॉकडाउन वाज प्रीटी स्मूथ फॉर अस.
वैसे लॉकडाउन जब अनलॉक हुआ, आई थिंक नॉट द कंप्लीटली लॉकडाउन वाज अपलिफ्टेड. In that you shot for a music video which your fans are eagerly waiting for with Mika. So tell me about that experience.
So Mika and I have been friends for over 15 years now.
Okay.
और इतने ज्यादा लंबे समय से हम जानते हैं, और हमेशा हमने कोशिश करी है कोलैबोरेट करने की, कुछ लोग साथ में करने की. वी हैव ट्रैवल्ड द वर्ल्ड टुगेदर. हमने इतने शोज किए हैं साथ में, और जब भी हम मिलते थे हम कहते हैं यार लेट्स डू समथिंग. बट वी ऑल हैव आवर ओन एजेंडास. वो अपने लाइफ में बिजी थे, मैं अपने लाइफ में बिजी थी. बिग बॉस से आने के बाद ही लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया, तो मिका एंड आई गॉट इन टच and he told me that finally let's collaborate since everything had slowed down, so we had time to collaborate. तो उन्होंने कहा चलो फिर तो ऐसी बात हुई, चलो अब करते हैं. But I didn't know he would take it so seriously. उन्होंने एक गाना कंपोज किया. Of course it's a remake. और उन्होंने मुझे गाना सुना और बोला what do you think about it? And I'm like wow, this is bloody amazing, because एक तो वो amazing singer तो है ही, but he's an amazing composer too. I don't know if the world knows about it. He's an amazing composer. So जिस तरह से उन्होंने ये particular गाने को rearrange किया, remake किया, it was like wow, let's do it. But of course lockdown full swing में था उस वक्त, so we were like let's just wait ताकि we can do it properly. So हमें बहुत ज्यादा समय मिला चीजें प्लान करने का, क्योंकि लिमिटेशंस इतनी ज्यादा थी. हमने डिसाइड किया था कि कास्ट एंड क्रू बिल्कुल मिनिमल रखेंगे, और और गवर्नमेंट की गाइडलाइंस भी काफी थी, इवन इफ यू वांट टू शूट. तो कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन माइंड हम एग्जीक्यूट कर पाए, क्योंकि हमें बहुत समय मिला था प्लान करने का. तो हमने अच्छे से प्लान किया, और पहले से ही होमवर्क सारा हम कर चुके थे. सो वी क्विकली वेंट ऑन द फ्लोर, क्विकली शॉट द सॉन्ग, और फिर गाना एडिट जस्ट हो रहा है. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर हिम टू टेल मी कि चलो दिस इज द डेट, लेट्स रिलीज इट. एग्जैक्टली. गाना बड़ा अच्छा बना है, और हम दोनों दोस्त हैं, सो बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफर्ट लेवल था. शूट करते वक्त भी हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया, और बहुत लंबे समय के बाद सेट पे वापस गए और दोनों के लिए getting back to work, it was very exciting. So we really enjoyed it. It's a great song. और something different है concept. It's got little dark undertones to it. और the song is brilliant, and I'm sure people are really gonna love it.
So Shefali, tell me now, when you are already back in action, you have already started working, what next is in your mind? What kind of characters, what kind of opportunity Shefali is looking for?
Shefali is not really, I go with the flow. I don't plan anything. When anything has happened in my life, it's not because I've planned something. So, but what is important for me is something that should excite me, something that I should be, I work, I can only give my 100% if I I'm excited about the project. Right. So there's a lot of work coming my way, but there is nothing that is super exciting me. Because if you talk about television, it's a very long time commitment.
Right.
And you need to be completely ready for it, to play that particular character for a year, 2 years, 3 years. So whatever I pick and choose, I need to be sure that I'm karte bore na ho jao, because that is very important for me. Right. And as far as web scene is concerned, बहुत सारे हम negotiations और talks में थे lockdown के पहले. अब lockdown धीरे-धीरे
uplift हो रहा है. हाँ.
और चीजें धीरे-धीरे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो थोड़े बहुत अभी भी पोस्टपोन हुए हैं बिकॉज ट्रैवल लिमिटेशंस आज भी है. सो आई एम होपिंग कि जल्दी से ये सिचुएशन थोड़ी अंडर कंट्रोल आए तो हमारे सारे जो प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी फिलहाल बैक बर्नर पे है रिवाइव हो एंड वी ऑल full on get back to work. So yes, lot was happening on the web scene. On the music scene, the song is ready with Mika. I'm waiting for the release. And for television, I'm waiting for the right opportunity. I'm waiting for that right role, the right character. Because I think I'm a very different kind of a person. I'm not, I get bored very easily. So I better pick up something that keeps me excited for 3 years, 4 years if the show goes on for that long.
Exactly.
So yeah, so I'm waiting for the right thing to happen.
But the right thing, does that right thing also involve supernatural dramas? Because that is something which is being in demand these days on TV. What is your take on it?
Yeah, I think it's really cool. Supernatural demands, supernatural shows are very popular on television, I agree. Yeah. But at the same time, if I'm asked to play a role of a chudel, I don't relate to it.
Okay.
I'm not going to do it. But of course, supernatural, I'm game to it. If something really cool comes my way, if something is really interesting, something that I can relate with, something that will excite me, something that is challenging, I would love to do it. So I don't have any plans in my mind. I should only be really excited about doing something. Then I'll give my 100% and I'll totally do it.
There was also news that you may replace Soumya Tandon in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai, which you already denied to me. But how did this whole rumor started? What exactly happened? Yeah. How did you also came to know that your name is being found?
I've been asking people. Yeah, and so I also don't know where the rumor started. I wish I knew.
Okay.
I would have stopped it there only. But it was very important for me to clarify. So मैंने अपने end से clarify करने की पूरी कोशिश की कि I am not replacing Soumya Tandon. उसके बाद भी after Soumya left the show, again वो revive हो गया कि Shefali is replacing, Shefali is playing Ice.
Okay.
I just wanted to clarify that the makers have not even approached me for this character. Though it's a great character to play, but the makers have not approached me. बात तो तब होगी जब अगर कोई बातचीत होगी, कोई negotiation होगा. कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, with the makers. So I really don't know where this whole rumor started, but I tried to kind of clarify from my side as much as possible. कि इसमें कोई सच्चाई नहीं.
शेफाली, do you think ये rumors इसलिए भी होंगे क्योंकि fans शायद आपको बहुत fit समझते हैं उस character के लिए, because that character demands that that kind of beauty, that elegance which Shefali has, probably because of the fans.
हो सकता है, हो सकता है, and I should totally take that as a compliment, कि अगर लोग मुझे that particular character के लिए apt समझते हैं, because उनको गोरी में भी बुलाया जाता है.
Right.
इसलिए लोगों को लगता है And maybe attitude is like that. So I take it as a compliment completely. But एक बात मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, सौम्या टंडन is fantastic at what she did. ये show बहुत सालों से चल रहा है, and the way she has played this particular भाभी जी का character, it's very very difficult for anybody to do justice to that character, especially अरसे तक शो चलता है और एक कैरेक्टर चलता है. So if somebody else had to step into the shoes, it's very difficult to do justice to the character. But लोगों ने ये सोचा कि मैं justice कर सकती हूँ, या लोगों ने मुझे उस कैरेक्टर में देखने की चाह रखी. So इसके लिए I'm really thankful. I'm very happy that people thought that I could fit into that character, because it is a brilliant character to play, and it's an immensely popular show. So I was very happy.
Actually, yeah, it's an immensely popular show, and we were also very excited when we got to know that you are replacing, but that wasn't that turned out to be not true.
I take it as a compliment completely. I totally take it as a compliment, but unfortunately, it's not me.
It's not true. Anyway, but you already said that you are doing a lot on web space. I mean, like, a lot of discussions are already happening on web space.
Yeah.
Web space is the growing like anything. Shefali, you have already done 2 web shows on OTT platform. So how do you look at the whole space, and what kind of characters?
I love this space.
Okay.
I love the OTT space because, as an actor also, it's very important for you to know the beginning, middle and end of a story.
Right.
So you as an actor also know how to perform. On television, what happens is, एक बार show शुरू हो जाता है, फिर every single day जब आपकी script आपको मिलती है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है.
Right.
On OTT, you know it's limited. And that is what I like about limited shows on TV also. There is beginning, middle and end. So you know your graph. You know exactly what is expected from you.
Yeah.
And as far as OTT is concerned, I think it is a dream for any actor, because the kind of content that is being produced for OTT is completely out of the box. You know, so it's a treat for an artist to perform. And you can pick and choose the zone that you're comfortable with. Like television predominantly is either supernatural shows or kitchen politics or those kind of things. But OTT, there is crazy stuff. Really crazy stuff that you can't even imagine.
And that too more realistic also.
As for me as an artist, no, it's absolutely realistic, as well as there is content which is absolutely unrealistic also. There is every kind of content available. So you can pick and choose कि आपको क्या करना है, आपको क्या excite कर रहा है, आप कितने comfortable हो, like even when it comes to bold content, अगर आप if you're not comfortable, then you don't do it.
Right.
People are comfortable with it also. So there is so much variety available from every genre. Like both the shows that I have done is comedy. I'm very comfortable doing it, and I had a great time doing it. So there is comedy, there is thriller, there is horror, there is also love stories and dramas, and there is everything available. गाँव की कहानी है, शहर की कहानी है, space की कहानी है. Everything is there, and such lovely content is being made right now on OTT. So I think it's a treat for the audience as well as the actors.
Absolutely.
I love that.
So are you comfortable doing bold scenes or abusing on screen, because that is something which we obviously that is possible on OTT and not on television, because censorship is.
I would say that completely depends on your own personal definition of bold.
Right.
Okay. Now, if I'm playing a character of an underworld don, and then if I abuse, how is it bold? I'm playing a character, right?
Right.
So, you have to draw your own lines. It's to each his own. It depends on the character. A character may demand you to maybe kiss online. Parag recently done a show where he was supposed to have some bold scenes and intimate scenes, but he was playing that sort of a flamboyant womanizer character. अब अगर आप womanizer character play कर रहे हो और आप womanize नहीं करोगे तो justice नहीं है ना. So it all completely depends on what is being offered and what the story is and what the demand of the script is. And when it comes to, you know, working with really cool people, you know, you can, if you have apprehensions about something, okay, I'm not comfortable, you know, showing this much skin, or I'm not comfortable, people are not forcing you.
Right.
People will work around it. So, you know, the definition of bold is really in your own mind, in your own head. You know, maybe for a particular show, I may not kiss my actor because I would feel that यार यहाँ जरूरत नहीं है, मतलब जबरदस्ती का मैं किस नहीं करूँ, मगर एक और कैरेक्टर ऐसा हो सकता है जहाँ पे स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड हो and it really makes sense, you know, it is important to the narrative, then I would go ahead and do it, you know, in whatever limitations I set for myself. So it is very subjective to what you choose to do.
Exactly.
Really.
Parag has done Ratri Ka Yatris, if I'm not wrong, the episode you're talking about.
He has done Ratri Ka Yatri, he has done Woodpecker 1, 2. अभी तो काफी उसके shows आए हैं, मतलब honestly मैंने आधे से ज्यादा नहीं देखे,
अच्छा
काफी उनके shows आए हैं. Yeah.
Okay, so Shefali,
yeah, I really liked that show. Anil sir ka show tha. In fact, one of the stories was also offered to me, but I couldn't do it because of some issues with the pre-commitment. I really liked that
the concept.
I especially liked Parag's story, what he played character of a Pahalwan, you know, who's lost in love, and it was a really nice show. Like you said, see, now the narrative is about somehow prostitutes, you know, and how every story is about a character and a prostitute involved, right? So there may be some bold scenes, there may be bed scenes, there may be kissing scenes, there may be bold language. So it's important to the narrative. Yeah, fake lagega, na? It is matlab. So like I said, so I had absolutely no problems when Parag did it. In fact, I saw it and I loved this character. So look, we are actors at the end of it. Yeah. You know, just because my husband is kissing somebody, I mean, but then again, that is a very personal thing. Maybe everybody is not comfortable. I am very comfortable. I am very comfortable. You know, if Parag had to, because I know him as an actor. He has been here for many years.
Yes, yeah.
And I know him as a person कि वो उस तरह की इंसान नहीं है जो जबरदस्ती के kissing scenes करेंगे just to have fun. You know, ऐसे भी actors होते हैं.
अच्छा.
I know he has. In fact, मुझे ये भी पता था, मुझे screen पे दिख रहा था कि लड़की से ज़्यादा uncomfortable तो बेचारे Parag थे, while he was, you know, performing. So I had such a laugh about it. But you know, he's an artist. He expected to do something, and he did it really well. And I was very proud of it. I really enjoyed watching it.
What if you also do the similar kind of scenes? Is Parag comfortable? Because what I know is Parag is very possessive about you.
He is protective about me.
Okay.
So there is a difference between protective and possessive. Of course, there is healthy amount of possessiveness. which is जितना healthy होना चाहिए उतना एक रिश्ते में होता है. But he is more protective about me when it comes to my choice of work और मैं क्या करना चाहूँ और क्या नहीं करना चाहूँ. It is completely my decision. And if I'm confused about something, I always take his opinion because I think acting के मामले में वो मेरे senior हैं.
Senior हैं,
तो मैं
exactly.
उनका opinion definitely लेती हूँ. और हमारे बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा comfort level है. मतलब and we are very mature as a couple. I don't think. I think I would first have a problem with things before him.
Okay.
You know, because we are very reasonable people.
Right.
So I don't think we need to even have this conversation because we are artists. Our work life and our personal life is very separate. Parag also does not have to ask me. अगर उनकी स्क्रिप्ट में लिख के आया है कि उनका ऐसा कोई सीन है तो वो मुझे फोन नहीं करेंगे कि यार अभी ना 1 घंटे बाद I'm going to shoot a scene in which I may have to kiss. Should I kiss? It's completely your decision.
Decision,
you know? You're a performer. That's your job. I don't own you. मैं आपको मार्केट से खरीद के नहीं लाई हूँ.
Right.
You know, कोई चीज अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं आएगी तो मैं बाद में बोल दूंगी आपको. We'll discuss about it like two mature people.
Yeah.
यार ये ज़्यादा bold हो गया ना. Future में आप देखना तो. You know, we can have like a mature discussion later. That's the way we are. So ये तो हमारे बीच में topic छिड़ता भी नहीं कभी.
Okay.
Limitations and this and that.
Shefali, also I was reading about you adopting a baby girl. I mean, I know this has not happened yet, and that's why we haven't received that good news yet. But till where the procedure has reached, how much time do we have to
Nothing.
wait to
So
see
right now
that?
we put everything on. We put everything on hold because of this corona situation.
Okay, okay.
We don't know. Yeah, because there's a lot of paperwork involved and it's
Right.
a long process. It's not a
Yes,
very
yes.
easy process.
Yeah.
So that process is going to take its own sweet time, and all we can do is wish, pray, hope कि
जल्दी हो.
सब कुछ स्मूथली हो, जल्दी हो. प्लस ये सारी जो चीजें होती हैं ये अपने वक्त से होती हैं और ये किस्मत से होती है. जब इनका होने का वक्त होता है, हम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लें, जब बच्चे के हमारे घर पे आने का वक्त होगा वो तभी आएगा.
Right.
So हमारी कोशिश जारी है. We are being very positive about it. We also know that the whole corona situation has slowed a lot of things down.
Right.
And maybe that is for our good. You know, God is very kind. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. तो ये जो भी स्लो डाउन हुआ है, जो सारे डिलेज हो रहे हैं, इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. बस आप भी मेरे साथ प्रे कीजिए.
Of course. Yeah. My prayers are always there for you and Parag.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Shefali, Big Boss 13 was a successful season. It created history. And now Big Boss 14 is here. You think that, is it even giving I would not even say competition because it just started. It is like 4-5 days of the episodes being telecasted. Is it nearby to what the audience saw in your season?
So you answered your own question. It's just started. It's too early for us to judge. But I have full faith in Big Boss because जब बॉस बोलते हैं अब सीन पलटेगा तो सीन जरूर पलटेगा.
अच्छा.
You know, and I see the lineup this time is very promising.
Okay.
सारे बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनिक है. मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब लाइनअप अच्छा लगा है और मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी तो you warm up to the game.
Right.
अभी तो warm up हो रहा है ऑलरेडी. जो थोड़ा बहुत मैंने फॉलो किया है उसमें मतलब आने वाले समय की थोड़ी बहुत झलक दिख रही है मुझे. लोग कंफर्टेबल होंगे. अपने रियल पर्सनालिटीज तो अब तक दिखने शुरू ही नहीं हुए.
अच्छा.
अभी भी लोग इट्स वेरी initial, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's trying to they all have an image of themselves in mind कि मैं अंदर जाके ऐसे रहूंगी. तो अभी तो वो फेज चल रहा है.
Okay.
अब तो जब बिग बॉस क्राइसिस शुरू करेंगे घर के अंदर, that's when the real personalities
will come out. Yeah.
वो होना बाकी है अभी. But so far it's very interesting. I really liked seniors going inside the house.
Yeah.
और सीनियर्स कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं ये गेम को मुश्किल करने के लिए. और सिद्धार्थ has been very very entertaining. And of course he's a senior. उनको एक्सपीरियंस है बिग बॉस का. उनको मतलब बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स तो भी सिर्फ वार्म अप हो रहे हैं, गेम समझ रहे हैं. तो वैसे सीजन इज वेरी डिफरेंट. समझना पड़ेगा. हाँ बोले.
वैसे अगर आपको मौका मिलता है एज अ तूफानी सीनियर घर में एंट्री करने का तो क्या होगा? तो शेफाली किस तरीके से जाके सीन पलटने की कोशिश करेंगे?
तो जब मैं बिग बॉस 13 में थी तब क्या हुआ था वो वही होगा. डायनामिक्स चेंज होंगे, तोड़ फोड़ मचेगी, गेम इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. तो बहुत मजा आएगा.
अब तक आपको कोई कंटेस्टेंट पसंद आया है जो आपको लगता है कि यार इसके अंदर वो क्वालिटी है घर में सर्वाइव करने की, या बिग बॉस की ट्रॉफी तो खैर बहुत दूर है बट घर में एक एप्ट कंटेस्टेंट है ये?
देखिए अभी मेरे हिसाब से बिग बॉस घर में ना कोई राइट या रॉन्ग नहीं होता. वही इंसान खिल के दिखता है जो जिसकी पर्सनालिटी एक्सप्रेसिव होती है और जो यूनिक होता है.
राइट.
तो मुझे जान रियली सरप्राइज्ड मी.
ओके.
मुझे लगा था कि वो कॉय से लड़के हैं इनिशियली But
हाँ.
he surprised me जब पहले ही दिन उन्होंने अपना सिर मुंडवा दिया. Believe me, it takes a lot of courage.
Yes.
So मुझे लगता है कि initially जो मैंने सोचा था कि पता नहीं ये survive कर पाएंगे या नहीं, मैं उनमें बहुत potential देख रही हूँ. Rahul Vaidya is kind of warming up to the game. Pavitra again is a strong personality. मैं देख रही हूँ. She has potential of going ahead. Aijaz of course has a lot of potential. मतलब Aijaz की personality दिखनी शुरू हो चुकी है. And you know बर्तन कर रहे थे, and you know then he took a stand for himself, and so I see things happening. But Nikki is also very entertaining. She's very very entertaining. Like I said, कोई चीज सही गलत नहीं होती बिग बॉस घर में. होता है कि आप शायद घर के लोगों के लिए इरिटेटिंग हो, पर ऑडियंस के लिए आप एंटरटेनिंग हो. So
you find her entertaining?
Entertaining. Yeah, she's been entertaining. But सही गेम, I think रियल गेम शुरू होगा जब सीनियर्स
बाहर जाएंगे.
तो अभी एक टोन सेट हो रहा है. तो अभी मतलब अभी भी मैं जैस्मिन इज रियली क्यूट. हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट जैस्मिन? आई थिंक शी इज रियली क्यूट. जिस तरह से वो रोई थी कि मुझे कपड़े धोने नहीं आते हैं, और मतलब नहीं पता था कि कपड़ा धोना इतना डिफिकल्ट है. आई फाउंड हर रियली रियली क्यूट एंड शी इज वेरी रियल.
ओके,
यू नो अभी भी कुछ लोग रियल नहीं है घर में. आई फाइंड जैस्मिन रियल एंड यू नो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी वो. सो लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. अभी तो क्या सीनियर्स आर रनिंग द शो,
राइट.
लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. बट पोटेंशियल बहुत लोगों में है एंड डेफिनेटली एंटरटेनिंग तो होगा. और अगर बिग बॉस ने बोला है सीन पलटेगा तो डेफिनेटली सीन पलटेगा.
So thank you so much, Shefali, for taking your time talking to us. It was pleasure talking to you.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.